This is tasty. If you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go taste? Welcome to my vlog where I vlog about everything. In this vlog today, I have ordered McDonald's in Dubai and I'm going to try it. Let's get that. It's so good. I've realized lately I like apple juice. I don't know what that means, but yeah. It was literally a coin in my delivery. Gravy. This is the burger. I have to put a veggie down. So you can put the mushroom. This is the fries. I literally just want to do this. Okay. But I'm a lady. Toys. That's it. See, it wasn't something crazy. Okay. So it's really good. I think it's better than KFC. It's so good and so soft, and you just want to keep going on. There's this big back activity, honestly. That was so good. Wow. Wow. I feel like after this video, I'm just going to order more fries. So good. Wow. It's good. I'm not gonna lie. It's good. It's really good. Okay. Wait, I think I'm going to need a drink. So now we're about to try this thing, okay? For the first bite, this is a cheeseburger. Wow. I'll wash my mouth for the second bite. Wow. It's so good. God. It is so freaking good. It's just oozing goodness. It's so good. Are you joking? I'm never losing my tummy. I will be a big buck. For sure. Thank God I don't live in Dubai, because honey, I will buy this every night. Almost done. I could cry. That's so good. It's so good. So good. Honestly, so good. The mushroom smells so good. Let's have on some gravy. Here we go. Put the rice with gravy and mushroom. Meh. I should have got more fries instead of this bullshit. But wait, let's try again. Very nice. No, this is not good. Honestly, I don't like it. I don't like it. All of it. I don't like it. But I will get hungry And maybe I'll come back here and eat it comfortably, you know, without any pressure. If you know me, you know I love cake. Oh, like if you want to get through to my heart, the fastest way is through cake. Like just bake me a cake, buy me a cake, feed me a cake, and I promise you, you're good. And I hope this does not disappoint. The standards are so high, but let's go. Just to be sure, it feels like there's an explosion happening in my mouth. That was so good. I feel like I'm not even here. I've been transported to another, I don't know. I don't feel like I am here. Wow. Do they put cocaine in this shit, bro? I don't feel the same. I don't feel like I'm here. I feel like I'm rethinking my life. Well, I didn't get to try this, but it's just gonna be basic, you know. Like, what could be special about apple juice? Yeah, apples. That was me trying out McDonald's in Dubai, and everything was nice except for the rice. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Cheers!